Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw three faces, but essentially close to the same generic face from three different angles and highlight it with different crosshatch points. To do this, we have already just laid down, that's roughly like three faces. And in a moment we will determine a light source for these faces as soon as we make some things like even here. So now this is like seen over the shoulder, so from behind. This is slightly turned to the left, and that is definitely turned to the left, but again seen from the front. So we will start to let's put in a light source coming in from this side and begin putting in crosshatch with any selective tool and see how this works out. So here we have like three different crosshatches, so just like casual pencil, brush, and fine point marker or fine point pen. So it's just an exercise just to like demonstrate how we could achieve like three different looks from those angles when we are putting in all the tones and the fills and the line work. Now with the brush, of course, it's like more of a smudge that we cannot prevent that, but I still try to like throw in some lines here, and of course this is very quickly done. But if you take your time and make it more intricate, it can be a lot more detailed and it can show a lot more differently. Everything can be like made from the inside out to look much more realistic and much more detailed. So please give it a crack. I'm pretty sure like it's a fun exercise to do three different crosshatches side by side from time to time. I think this exercise should be undertaken. It just gives a different perspective going forward into different projects. So thank you for watching. We put out content every day, so please subscribe, keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day.